Ay, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Ay, I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it.
What's going on, folks? Looks like we got ourselves a Rhino 36-gallon tote for grading your black water with dumping. Seems pretty sturdy so far. Comes with some nice extra hoses. It's like we got everything comes with caps. You got an extra drain hose right here as well. 2 more adapters for the flush whenever you're flushing from the RV to the tote or tote to the dump station. It's got a nice little valve here. Everything seems to be nice and smoothly lubed up. Kind of nice what the company did. You can see that right there. And that hose, from what I hear, these little, you can use these for, this is I think your vent. It's nice and smelly when you're ready for it. We haven't used it yet. We're gonna use it here in about a week or so. Let's see if I can open this up. What it does is you just hook up your water and then flush that in there, and supposedly that cleans out the inside. We'll see how clean that gets. Go there. It's a nice little feature they got here though. What you can do is hook it up to your, you know, your little ATV, golf cart, whatever you got, even your vehicle. Haul it down to the dump station. Only real modification I had to do was didn't really trust some of the hardware on these tires. The only thing is tires look kind of flimsy. You can see what I did here is, let me see if I can get it nice and close on that. Horrible cotter pin job, but it'll do for now until I get back. Drilled a 3/32 hole, put a cotter pin in there. They said that little snap ring is what usually gives out, and then it'll come off. This whole wheel will come off, and you'll see horror stories of people dragging along right here, and it gets all worn out, and you got poop and fecal matter everywhere. Hopefully that solves the issue. We'll see. I'll be going out here in about a week or so and test it out. See how it goes. Stay tuned.